So welcome. This short video is about water bottles and what I've tried to do over the last 30 days. We're in Spain on holiday for the last 30 days. For the first 12 days there was 10 of us, and now there's just 2 of us for the last 18 days. So here is a pile of big bottles, that some of which we brought over from England that we used for traveling, and some of them were here already, and then 1 or 2 of those big ones we bought. So there's 8 bottles, and altogether they weigh, as you can see, 768 grams. I refilled them 5 times, so 5 refills, and that makes 3.84 kilograms. So on their own, they're 768 grams, and I've weighed them like this. You can see here on the scales. So for instance, this particular one is 118 grams, as you can see. So I've noted them all down here, the big ones and the small ones, and then totaled them up. The big ones, 768 grams, and the small ones are 273 grams, as you can see. So we basically filled them up from a natural mountain spring, which is a few miles up the road. We normally combined it with going out eating, going to the mountains for the beautiful views, etc. So it wasn't just a journey for those. So we refilled those 5 times. So that's in total that's 40 litres. So 200 litres. And then I put always 2 or 3 of them in the fridge, so they're always cold, and then refilled those small bottles so that we could take them out. When we go walking, we can take them, etc. I refilled those daily. When there was 12 of us, I refilled sometimes them 2 or 3 times a day. But now there's only 2 of us. You know, we drink 2.5, 3 litres of water every day. So those small bottles will be emptied, once a day. So those were refilled 30 times. So I've done 273 grams, which is the total weight of all those bottles. 273 grams times 30 days gives a total of 8.19 kilograms. And that's obviously plastic because they're empty. So I've just weighed the weight of the plastic bottles. So as I said, the big ones are in total 768 grams, refilled 5 times. That gives 3.84 kilograms. The smaller ones, 273 grams altogether, times 30 days, 30 refills. So that's 8.19 kilograms. So here I've worked it out. So in 30 days, that's the smaller bottles that have been refilled 30 times, the bigger bottles refilled 5 times. So in total, we would have used 12.3 kilograms of plastic just for drinking water. And that's just in 30 days. Times that by 12, if you did that all year round, that's 144 kilograms of plastic just for drinking, never mind about wrapping or anything like that. So basically, what I've also done is I've added the total weight of the plastic of both these and these bottles, the larger bottles and the smaller bottles. And the total weight is 1 kilograms and 41 grams. So I've taken that off the total. So that's what we would have used. That's what we used because, we got those bottles in the first place. So basically we saved 10.989 kilograms. So we saved 11 kilograms of plastic by just refilling these bottles. What you must make sure is, if you do something like that you always keep them away from light, these bottles, because the plastic does react to sunlight and heat and will release, chemicals, volatile particles contained within the plastic. There is lots and lots and lots written about that. Yes, so here we go. It's my little setup, and I'm glad I could save 11 kilograms of plastic. You know, it probably took me about 20 minutes every day to do this, plus half an hour to go and fill up the big bottles. And actually, we're now due to fill them up for a 6th time, so we'll save even more plastic. Well, thanks for listening, and hope you enjoyed it. And of course, you know, using glass bottles is always it's always an option. Apart from that, it can shatter quite easily, and also the weight of it. But yes, you know, because we need volumes, it is, if those were, you know, 8 glass bottles, you'd have to be very careful not to shatter them. Right, well, thanks for listening, and yeah, keep up the good work. Thank you. Bye.